Hi, Goddess of Love here. Again, kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, another reading na naman tayo today for the air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, no? So, before we proceed, no, sa ating reading, right, mga goddess ko, air signs. No, let's proceed to you, no, mga air signs. So, let's start with you, Gemini. So, let's see, no, what's the situation ninyo ng iyong person right now. And, of course, self-care advice for this coming week. And, what's your inner goddess or your inner strength na i-reveal sa iyo ni universe, no, mga Gemini natin. So, let's see what's the situation, no, ng iyong person right now, no? Kayo ng iyong person. So, let's see. Kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Gemini. So, 1, 2, and 3, no? So, let's see what is that. So, meron dito, blame nyo, no? So, may nagsisisihan dito, right? So, tignan pa natin. You don't love me, no? So, may nagtatampo dito, no? So, tignan pa natin. I failed, no? Sobra namang nagtatampo to, no? Parang nasasaktan to, no? Mga Gemini, no? Parang mas nakikita ko rito, hindi blame yourself, eh. Parang ang sinasabi niya, yun nga, blame yourself, kumbaga parang mismo sa sarili niya yung bine-blame niya dito, Gemini, no? Sa inyong separation, no? Yeah, for sure. Kasi nga, nag-failed, no? Nag-failed yung inyong relationship, no? Something like that, no? So, talagang masakit sa tao na ito, no? Parang naramdaman niya na yung hindi mo na siya mahal, no? Maybe ay dumating na din sa point na talagang sumuko ka na rin, no? For some of you Gemini or cross-watchers, right? No? So, may sumuko rito, no? And may sumuko dahil napagod na sa relasyon, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito. And this person is sobrang, I think, ay nagsisisi. And at the same time, no? Kumbaga ay, yun nga, sinisisi din niya yung sarili niya, na failed niya, kung hindi niya nagawa talaga yung dapat gawin, no? Something like that, no? So, ngayon, naramdaman niya na yung hindi mo na siya mahal, no? Before siguro ay talagang ramdam niya, but then ngayon, parang sinuntok na siya, no? Parang tumama na talaga sa kanya, eh. Maybe may nagawang malaking kasalanan to, no? For some of you, that's why pati pagmamahal ay nawala na, no? Something like that. So, medyo malungkot sa part niya, no? And, of course, sa'yo, kung whoever, ikaw naman itong sobrang napagod na rin. So, very exhausted yung nafe-feel ko dito sa inyong naging relationship na ito ng mga Gemini, no? So, let's see what's the inner self-care advice for you this coming week ng mga Gemini natin. So, tignan natin. Kuha tayo ng 1 card for you, Gemini, no? Self-care advice for this coming week. So, you have this, no, dance. So, maybe for some of you, no, mahilig din kayong sumayaw, no? But then, dahil busy na kayo sa araw-araw, no? Hindi na kayo nakakapag-relax, no? Yung hilig nyo sa pagsasayaw, di na kayo nakakapagsayaw. So, maybe this coming week, if you have this free time, you have, magsayaw ka, no? Magsayaw ka, right? No? So, kumbaga, mo yung katawan mo, galaw-galaw, no? Something like that, no? So, magsayaw, i-enjoy mo, mag-enjoy ka sa sarili mo, no? Maybe, pwede kang mag-invite ng friends mo, go to somewhere na mga magsayaw-sayaw kayo doon, no? Something like that, no? So, nakaka-release din ng stress yan, di ba? Yung pagsasayaw, it's like an exercising din your body, no? Something like that, no? So, no? So, ayun yung sinasabi sa'yo dito. That's your self-care advice this coming week. And what's your inner goddess, no? Or your inner strength, no, na i-reveal sa'yo ni universe ng mga Gemini natin? What's your inner strength, Gemini? What's your inner strength? So, tignan natin. Kuha tayo ng one card for you, Gemini. So, you have this moon child, no? So, yan, no, for some of you, mga Gemini natin dyan, no, siguro ay maano kayo, yung, kumbaga ay full of, ano kayo, yung ideas nyo, yung talagang parang mysterious, na parang kakaiba, something like that, na meron kayong ganitong skills na yung mga ginagawa nyo is yung talagang ibang klase na parang kumbaga parang pag natapos nyo, wow, ang galing, no? You are so very talented, no? Something like that, no? You have these skills na parang out of this world, ikaw lang yung nakakagawa, no? Something like that, no? Yung, no, just take what's resonate ng mga Gemini, no? You have this, ability na, to do something na ikaw lang yung parang, wow, ikaw lang yung nakagawa nito, no? Parang gano'n na parang mabibilib yung mga tao na, wow, nagawa mo to, no? Something like that, no? Meron kang ganong factor, no? Meron kang ganong skills na you are so very talented na ayun yung masasabi ng mga tao sa iyo, no? Mga Gemini. So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no? With that, no? So yan, no? If you are this, no, mga Gemini, i-enhance nyo pa yung mga skills ninyo, whatever it is, no? So, kumbaga ay makakatulong din yan for your stability, no? So, yung mga skills na yan, ang kumbaga ay yung creativity mo, right? No? So, ayun yung makakatulong sa'yo for your solid foundation for your stability, no? So, continue mo lang kung i-develop yung mga skills na yan, right? No, mga Gemini natin, right? No, so yan, no, you are this very creative, no, something like that, no. So yeah, that's it for you, Gemini. I hope naka-resonate ka sa ating reading today for you, Gemini. And yeah, thank you for watching, Gemini. Yeah, let's continue with you, Libra. So, hi, kamusta ka dyan, mga Libra natin, no? So, let's see what's your situation, no, sa inyo ng iyong person right now, no, mga Libra, no? So, tignan natin. Kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Libra. 3 cards for Libra, please. 3 cards for Libra. Thank you. So, what is this? I'm not attracted. So, meron na naman ditong I'm not attracted. So, yeah, sex with you. So, yeah, hindi siya attracted, but then sexually attracted siguro, maybe. So, what else? Oh, I want to marry you, no? So, alam nyo ba, bottom of the deck, Libra, ito, will you marry me? No? So, parang sinagot, no? I want to marry you, no? So, parang sinagot mo na pala, no? Parang ganun, no? So, parang sinagot na, no? Something galing no? Right? No? But then, 'di ba? Kumbaga, baka akala mo neto sa umpisa ng mga Libra, for some of you, Libra, maybe you are in this connection na akala mo ay hindi siya attracted, no, for some of you. So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, Libra, no. This person is, at first, akala mo ay hindi siya attracted with you, no. Maybe, nagkaroon ng intimate bonding, no. Nagkakaroon ng intimate bonding. But then, eventually, no, this person pala ay, nagkakaroon na ng feelings for you, no? Maybe parang friends with benefits kayo, right? No? So, for some of you lang, no? Ayun lang din yung naano ko rito, no? So, akala nyo hindi kayo attracted sa isa't isa, maybe, because parang, sex, 'di ba, ang inyong bonding, no? Something like that. But then, eto na pala, no? At may nararamdaman na pala siya, no? Or both of you, no? So, meron ditong I want. So, may magpro-propose, no? Mga Libra for some of you. Yeah. Kumbaga, sasabihin mo nga, di ba, will you marry me? And then, ayan na yan, no? I want to marry you. So, sinagot na rin, di ba, right? So, may wedding bells for sure, no? Soon sa inyo, mga Libra. So, yeah, no? I'm happy for you, mga Libra, right? No? So, yeah, meron ditong, wedding in the near future, no, right? No, so yeah, let's see what's the inner self-care advice for you this coming week, mga Libra natin. So yeah, self-care advice for Libra this coming week. So you have this, spend time with animals. So maybe for some of you Libra, may mga pets kayo, no? May mga alaga kayo. So, spend time ka raw, no? Spend more time, no? Makipaglaro ka sa kanila. Maybe namimiss ka na rin. Baka lagi kang busy, no? So, makipaglaro ka daw sa mga alaga mo, ganyan. Or for some of you, talagang literally, mahilig kayo sa hayop. Maybe, punta kayo ng mga yung mga zoo, no? Something like that. Baka nakaka-relax sa inyo yung mga hayop, no? Mga Libra, right? Hindi yung hayop na person na nanloloko, right? Yeah, no? With the animals, right? No? So, kumaga ito nga, no? So, you have this special bonding, no? Sa mga hayop. Maybe, for some of you, you have this gift, no? Na you understand, no? Ang animals, no? Something like that, no? Ang mga Libra natin dyan, no? So, yeah, that's your self-care advice this coming week, no? So, let's see naman, no? What's your inner goddess, no? Or your inner strength na i-reveal na sa'yo ni universe, no? What's your inner strength, no? Ang mga Libra natin. So, kuha tayo ng one card for you, Libra. So, also, no, parang kay Gemini ba to? So, you have this, no, Shaman of Skulls, no? So, you are this, no, Libra, you are this also a fearless woman, man, no? Something like that, no? Wala kang kinakatakutan, no? Laban kung laban, no? Something like that, no? But then, parang ito, wina-warningan ka rin dito, no? With the skull here, no? Kumbaga, hindi dapat lahat sugod ng sugod, no? Kasi, kahit sabihin natin, oo, yes, you are this, matapang ka, but then, be careful, no? Hindi lahat kailangan susugod agad. Kailangan mag-isip munang mabuti, no? Hindi palaging emotion, no? Emotion palagi, no? You have to be balanced, emotion and your, your mind, right? No? You have to be, think before you act, no? Something like that, 'di ba, mga Libra natin. Hindi yung para hindi rin kayo magsisi sa huli, no, with the skulls, no, kumbaga para hindi kayo magsisisi sa huli, right? No? So, kailangan laging pinag-iisipan bago kikilos, no? Merong pagdesisyon ng maigi bago gagawin, no? Something like that, mga Libra, no? So, ayun yung sinasabi rito. Ang inner strength mo is you are this fearless, but you have to balance your fearless, no? You're being, kasi pagka masyado ka ng fearless, pagiging matigas na rin yan, pagiging stubborn na din yan, right? No? So, you have to be balanced with that, no, mga Libra, no? So, yeah, that's it for you, Libra, no? So, I hope naka-resonate ka sa ating reading today for you, Libra, no? So, yeah, thank you for watching, Libra. So, yeah, no, let's go with you, Aquarius. So, how are you dyan, mga Aquarius natin? So, tignan natin, no, what's your situation, no, with your person right now, Aquarius. So, kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you. 3 cards for Aquarius natin. So, yeah. 1, 2, 3. So, let's see. Ano yan? So, you have this. No, meron na naman tayo dito. I'm just playing. No? So, naiinis talaga ako sa mga player na yan. Ano ba yan? Cheat, diba? Ano ba to? Meron na naman tayong ganito. Cheated on you, no? Ang ganda na sana nung kay Libra, no? May ikakasal. And then, I'm sorry, 'di ba? Ginost ka pa ng tao na ito, no, Aquarius, no? Siya na yung nang cheat, siya na yung naglaro, siya pa yung nang iwan, right? 'Di ba? May pag-sorry but then iniwan ka, right? No, so tama lang, sige, o okay lang na iwanan ka na neto, no? Ginost ka ng tao na ito, no, Aquarius, no? So hindi naman seryoso, no? So this person is not meant for you, no? Sinasaktan ka lang nito, no, mga Aquarius natin dyan. So be it, no? So hayaan mo na siya, no? If that person will change, then go, no? Para sa sarili niya, no? It's up to you kung tatanggapin mo pa to, kung if ever na babalik sa ito. But then, kung makikita mo, di ba, puro paglalaro lang talaga. Hindi siya naging seryoso sa'yo, Aquarius, no? Right? So yan, no, tama lang na hiwalayan mo na, no? This person is not good for you, no? So, move on, no? Focus on yourself, Aquarius, no? So, wag ka nang malungkot, no? Dito sa tao na ito, no? Hayaan mo siya. Si God nang bahala sa kanya, right? No? So yan, no? So, pray ka na lang para ibigay sa iyo ni Lord yung nararapat para sa iyo. But then, you have to heal first, no? I-focus mo yung sarili mo sa magagandang bagay, no? Para makapag-move forward ka na din for some of you, no? So, yeah, tignan naman natin what's your self-care advice, no, for this coming week. Self-care advice for Aquarius natin, please. Self-care advice. So, you have this, hydrate. So, yan, no, sinasabi dito, Aquarius, no? So, literal, no, Aquarius. So, you have to hydrate, no? Drink lots of water, no? Maybe ay hindi ka masyado pala inom ng tubig like me, no? So, ako talaga sobrang drain din ako, no? Lagi rin ako sa reading ko, minsan talaga ay laging inom ng tubig, pero nakakalimutan ko talaga, no? Ano kasi ako coffee lover talaga ako, no? So, mahilig ako, mas ginagawa akong tubig yung kape. Right? No? So, yan, no? Kumaga ito nakaka-cleanse, to cleanse din your aura, no, your body, no, inner self, no. Ang water kasi talaga really is malaking bagay ang nagagawa niya sa overall body natin, mind and soul, no. And pinaka nagke-cleanse talaga rin ng ating soul, ng ating body is water. Right? So, you have to dehydrate. You have to hydrate yourself, no, mga Aquarius natin, no. Drink a lot of water, no. Not only this coming week, but every day, no. So, yeah. Ayan, yung self-care advice, no. Para hindi ka din ma-dehydrate, no. And then, what's your inner goddess, no? Your inner strength na i-reveal na sa'yo ni universe, no, mga Aquarius natin. What's your inner strength, Aquarius, no? What's your inner strength? So, kuha tayo ng one card for you. So, you have this. What is this? Wait lang, ah. Tama ba to? Create. Wait lang, ah. So, yan, no, ang lalim pala ng ibig sabihin nito, no, mga Aquarius. So, ngayon lang din ako nakapag-ano na to. So, you are this, no, your inner strength is this creatrix, no, hindi siya creative, but then same as creative then, but has a deeper meaning, no, when it comes to spirituality, no. For some of you, no, Aquarius, no, so maybe you are so connected with the divine, no, something like that, no. So, ang sinasabi dito, no, with this, no, creatrix, no, so you are this creatrix, no. So, a woman who is a deeply woman or man, no, but then this is a woman, no, a woman who is deeply connected to herself as a woman or and the feminine source of creative power, no. So she gives rise to desires, gives birth to ideas and life of all kinds. She dreams courageously and trusts so deeply in the intrinsic co-creative, no, connection she shares with the divine and the natural world. No? So, you are this so powerful, no? So, ang ganda ng meaning, no? Mga Aquarius, no? So, grabe, no? Parang you are this so powerful that you are a co-creation with the divine, no? Parang you have this deep connection with the divine that you can create, you can, you are this, parang you have this, because maybe for some of you, Aquarius, you are so, you are so highly spiritual, no? Individual, no? Something like that, no? Kumbaga, with that, sobrang yung faith mo kay God, no? With the divine, no? Sobrang, yung faith mo is talagang napaka-deep, no? Something like that. And with that, you can co-create, no? Parang ikaw na yung mismong co-creator ng iyong sarili, no? So parang kumaga binibigyan ka na, you have this you have this the will na to make your own destiny, no? Something like that, no, mga Aquarius, no? So kumaga ikaw na yung nagke-create ng iyong sariling destiny, no? Parang 'di ba, with the deeper connection with the divine, you have this, no? Kumbaga kung mapapansin mo, Aquarius, parang halos lahat ng minamanifest mo, mini-wish mo is eventually nagkakatotoo, right? No? 'Di ba? Right? That's why, because you are this, no? Binigyan ka ng will dito ni divine, na ng ating universe, because you are so you are so deeper, no? You have this deeper, you have this grabing faith, no? Sobrang faith ka talaga, no? Parang hindi mapantayan yung iyong faith kay universe, sa divine natin, kay God, no? So kumbaga ikaw to, nirewardan ka with that, na you can create your own destiny, no? Whatever you like, no? Whatever you want in your life, no? So mapapansin mo yan, Aquarius, na parang halos hindi ka na nahihirapan, 'di ba? Nalagpasan mo na kasi lahat, 'di ba? Nalagpasan mo na lahat ng paghihirap. So ngayon parang everything is easy na lang, everything is smooth, 'di ba? Yung parang pagka may inisip ka, parang instantly, ayan na, ay, ito na pala yung naisip ko nung nakaraan, no? Ito na. Parang lahat nagkakatotoo na, parang it's like a miracle, right? Na parang yung mga iniisip mo lang before ay nandiyan na. Yung mga kine-create mo sa iyong mind, nandiyan na sa harapan mo. You are turning your imagination into reality, no? Something like that, no, ma-acquire. So you have this ability, no? So sobrang faith mo kasi kay God, and of course sobrang faith mo sa sarili mo na kaya mong gawin everything, that there is nothing impossible for you, no? And of course with God, with the universe, no? Sobrang tiwalang-tiwala ka talaga, no? So that's it, no? So ang napakaganda, no? So mga Aquarius. So yeah, that's it for you, Aquarius, no? So I know naka-resonate ka dito sa iyong reading today. So yeah, overall, no, mga air signs natin, no, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius natin. So yeah, 'di ba? Maniwala lang kayo sa sarili nyo, no? So lahat tayo laging may mga player na nagiging partner. So hayaan nyo na, no? So nakakatulong rin kasi sa atin yan para mas maging matatag tayo sa buhay, yung mga taong na sinasaktan lang tayo, right? There are, kumbaga sila yung nagiging catalyst ng ating buhay, yung mga mentor, pwedeng sabihin nating mentor yan, para maging mas matatag tayo, no? So binibigyan tayo kasi ng mga pagsubok, kasi alam ni Lord, alam ni universe, ni God, ni divine, na malalagpasan natin to, 'di ba? Kaya natin to, kaya tayo binibigyan. But then yung iba kasi, kaya hindi nila kasi nawawalan sila ng tiwala sa sarili na. Like you, Aquarius, right? Sobrang faith mo sa sarili mo, right? Na naniniwala kang kaya mo lahat. Dapat ganun lahat tayo, yung ating fighting spirit, yung ating determination. And ano mangyayari? Ma-attract natin yung positivity, and all the possible things will happen with that. no? Kapag talagang mataas yung faith natin sa sarili natin and of course kay God, right? Kasi nothing is impossible with God. All is possible. Basta tayo ay maniniwala at maniniwala, no? Something like that, 'di ba? Keep your faith, no? Keep your faith strong, no? Alam mong mangyayari yan. And of course, kailangan gagawan mo ng action at maniniwala ka sa sarili mong kakayahan, 'di ba? Mga air signs. So yeah, that's it for you mga ating mga air signs, no? So napakaganda rin ng mga readings ninyo, ng inyong mga inner strength, no, na na-reveal sa inyo, 'di ba? Kakaiba, right? So yeah, that's it for you, and sabi ko nga, have faith, no? Huwag kayong mawawala ng tiwala and kapit lang kay God, no? Sa universe, no? Maniwala lang kayo. Like si Aquarius, right, no? Anything is possible with your faith, no? So, yeah, that's it for you, and God bless you all, and thank you for watching Air Signs.